Vikram Batra, born on September 9, 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, was a brave Indian Army officer who was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his extraordinary courage. Serving in the 13th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, Batra was commissioned as a lieutenant in December 1997 after training at the Indian Military Academy. He initially served in Sopore, Jammu and Kashmir, participating in several anti-terrorist operations. During the Kargil War, he was martyred on July 7, 1999, while recapturing Point 4875 and saving a fellow soldier. This point is now called Batra Top in his honor. Earlier, on June 20, 1999, Batra's team captured Point 5140, where he famously radioed "Ye Dil Mange More." He was later given the code name Sher Shah. On September 9, 2020, Indian Army soldier Debashish Shetty was martyred during an anti-Maoist operation in the Kalahandi district of Odisha. In recognition of his exceptional courage, he was posthumously awarded the Shaurya Chakra. The army had launched a large-scale search after receiving intelligence about Maoists hiding in the forest near Sikri village. During the operation, Shetty was killed in an encounter with the left-wing extremists and 5 terrorists were eliminated. Bharatendu Harishchandra, born on 9 September 1850 in Varanasi, is regarded as the father of modern Hindi literature and a pioneer of Hindi drama. Coming from a prestigious literary family, with his father Gopal Chandra being a renowned poet, Bharatendu received education in Hindi, Sanskrit, English and Bengali. He expanded Hindi literature through various genres including poetry, drama, essays and criticism. His notable plays Bharat Doordarsha and Andher Nagri remain significant even today. He also edited Kavi Vachan Sudha, a key publication in Hindi journalism. Through his writings, he aimed to raise social awareness. Bharatendu passed away on 6 January 1885 at just 34 years of age. In 1875, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded Anglo-Oriental College, which was later renamed Aligarh Muslim University (AMU) on September 9, 1920. Originally spanning 78 acres, AMU now covers over 1,000 acres. Over the years, the university has become a hub for political activities and has been involved in various controversies. In 2006, a female student wearing jeans received obscene threats and a Hindu student protesting the burqa was pressured to wear a hijab. Controversy also arose over a picture of Pakistan's founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah displayed in the AMU Student Union, which reportedly remains there. In 2018, another incident involved a program poster that displayed incorrect map of India showing Kashmir as a separate and Arunachal Pradesh as part of China. The event was later banned.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On 9 September 2015, Queen Elizabeth II became the longest reigning British monarch, surpassing her great-grandmother Queen Victoria, who ruled for over 63 years and 216 days from 1837 to 1901. Elizabeth II ascended the throne on 6 February 1952, following the death of her father, King George VI. Her reign saw significant global events, including the decline of the British Empire and the Cold War. In 2022, she marked her 70th year on the throne, celebrated as her Platinum Jubilee. Queen Elizabeth II passed away on 8 September 2022. On September 9, 1791, The US capital was named Washington DC in honor of George Washington, the nation's first president. The full name, Washington District of Columbia, reflects the area chosen for the capital after Congress decided in 1790 that it should be located outside any state's jurisdiction. This site, situated along the Potomac River between Maryland and Virginia, was named the District of Columbia, as Columbia was a common term for America at that time, derived from Christopher Columbus. The decision to name the capital after Washington acknowledged his key role in the nation's fight for the independence.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.